Hey there, global explorers! You're tuning into Traveling Kangaroo, your one-stop channel for the most fascinating travel facts and secrets. We're here to guide you through the world's hidden gems, from the bustling cities to the serene countryside. Every corner of the globe has a story to tell, and we're on a mission to bring them to you in the most engaging and informative way possible. So buckle up, because today we are hopping all the way to the heart of America, Ohio. Ohio, also known as the Buckeye State, has a lot to offer. It's not just a moniker, but a significant part of Ohio's identity. You see, the Buckeye tree is an Ohio emblem that runs deep in its roots, both literally and metaphorically. This humble tree, scientifically known as Aesculus glabra, is native to the Midwest and thrives in Ohio's fertile soil. It bears distinctive fruits, the Buckeyes, which are small brown nuts with a light patch resembling the eye of a deer, hence the name. But it's not just about the trees and the nuts. The Buckeye carries a cultural significance for Ohioans. The term Buckeye is a badge of honor worn by the state's residents, symbolizing resilience and hardiness, much like the tree itself. Even Ohio State University has embraced this, christening their athletic teams the Buckeyes. So that's why they call it the Buckeye State. Did you know Ohio is the birthplace of professional baseball? Yes, you heard it right. This state's love for baseball runs deep, all the way back to the 19th century. Specifically, the year 1869, when the Cincinnati Red Stockings took the field, marking the start of professional baseball. This team, led by Harry Wright, had an undefeated inaugural season, setting a high bar for the teams that followed. And follow they did, with Ohio becoming a hotbed for baseball talent. The state has since produced numerous Hall of Famers, World Series champions, and even an entire league, the American Association, which was founded in Cincinnati in 1881. With a legacy like this, it's no wonder Ohio is fondly referred to as the cradle of professional baseball. From the Red Stockings to today's Reds and Indians, Ohio's influence on America's pastime is undeniable. And that's a home run for Ohio's baseball history. Next up, let's explore the beautiful Ohio River. This majestic waterway is more than just a river. It's a vital lifeline that has shaped the state of Ohio in countless ways. Stretching a remarkable 982 miles, it is the largest tributary by volume of the mighty Mississippi River. The Ohio River's significance is not just geographical. It has played a pivotal role in the development of the state, serving as a crucial transportation route for settlers and goods. This river was the highway of its time, enabling expansion, commerce, and the growth of vibrant communities along its banks. Its importance extends to the present day. It continues to be a hub for recreation, industry, and biodiversity, with its waters nurturing an array of plant and animal life. The river's beauty is as enduring as its history, with its sweeping bends and changing moods captivating all who visit. Indeed, the Ohio River is a testament to the state's natural beauty. Ohio is not just about nature and sports. It's also home to some legendary figures. In the realm of sports, Ohio has given the world the unstoppable LeBron James. His prowess on the basketball court is nothing short of legendary, inspiring countless fans and future athletes alike. Then, we take a leap back into the past with the Wright brothers. These two Ohioans forever changed the course of history with their pioneering work in aviation, making the skies accessible to all. But Ohio's influence doesn't stop there. The state is also a beacon in the music world, boasting the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. This iconic institution celebrates the influential artists, producers, and other figures who have made significant contributions to the world of rock and roll. From Elvis to the Beatles, it's a veritable who's who of music legends. These legends certainly put Ohio on the map. Let's not forget about Ohio's unique traditions. Now, when it comes to leisure activities, the Buckeye State has a special place in its heart for cornhole. This beloved backyard game, also known as beanbag toss, is a staple at family gatherings and tailgate parties across the state. It's simple, it's fun, and it's undeniably Ohioan. But there's also a hint of mystery in Ohio's traditions. Ever heard of the Ohio Grassman? It's Ohio's very own version of Bigfoot, a legend whispered in hushed tones around campfires. Some claim to have seen this elusive creature in the wilderness, adding a touch of intrigue to Ohio's rich tapestry of folklore. And let's not forget the enchanting castles that dot the Ohio landscape. These aren't just historical structures, they're a testament to Ohio's love for architectural grandeur and the romanticism of bygone eras. These traditions truly make Ohio one of a kind. Well, we've covered a lot, haven't we? We embarked on a journey through the Buckeye State, where the Buckeye tree is not just a plant, but a symbol of pride. We stepped back in time, returning to the birthplace of professional baseball, feeling the excitement and the energy of the game. We then cruised along the Majestic Ohio River, a testament to the state's natural beauty and its historical significance as a crucial waterway. We took a moment to honor Ohio's legends, from the unstoppable LeBron James to the innovative Wright brothers, who have left an indelible mark not just on Ohio, but on the world. We rocked out at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, celebrating the state's rich musical heritage. We marveled at Ohio's castles, a surprising and delightful feature that adds a touch of European charm to the Midwest. We laughed and cheered during a cornhole match, a unique Ohio tradition that brings communities together. And we even ventured into the realm of the unknown, exploring tales of the Ohio Grassman and Bigfoot, a fun and mysterious aspect of Ohio's folklore. Ohio is more than just a state. It's a treasure trove of history, culture, innovation, and fun. With its diverse wonders, it's a place that has something for everyone. Remember, this is Traveling Kangaroo, your guide to the world's most fascinating places. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. For more travel secrets, visit our website travelingkangaroo.com. Until next time, keep exploring.